Hi ladies, my name is Lori and I will never diet again.
Alright, I'm going to show you how I make my little treat cappuccino. I use a cup of coffee, 3 cashews. Now my cashews, I'll buy them. These are without salt and they're not roasted. I soak them overnight, drain them, and put them back in the container in the freezer so they're ready to be used. I have a tablespoon of maple syrup. I'll add my coffee. And I put this on. I don't want to have a whole lot of gritty stuff in there. Takes about a minute. And now I have my coffee, my cappuccino. Pretty simple. I was drinking a lot of coffee through the holidays, and actually French press, not recommended at all. It will cause your LDL cholesterol to shoot up. So I am using a filter, and I've also had to cut back because I actually love a really robust coffee. I would use a quarter of a cup for, you know, the coffee pot says it's 4 cups, but it's less than that. And I'm slowly weaning myself down to just using 1 tablespoon of coffee for my cappuccino. And I think that's a good idea. So just cutting back the amount of water, cutting back the amount of coffee, and weaning myself off of it. I still haven't had a chance of trying one of those alternative coffees, but I'm looking forward to it. I hope you enjoy yours and have a wonderful day. Take care. Like and subscribe, please.